Have you ever wondered what happens when you blend technology with marine life? At SeaWorld, the unexpected meets the extraordinary. This summer, prepare to be amazed by experiences that will leave you breathless. From dazzling drone shows to thrilling shark encounters, SeaWorld San Diego is redefining entertainment. Imagine watching hundreds of drones dance in the night sky, telling stories of the ocean, while just below you're face to face with some of the sea's most misunderstood creatures. You won't believe these shocking experiences exist, and they're waiting for you. First up, let's talk about the Ocean of Dreams drone show. This incredible spectacle features 600 synchronized drones lighting up the night. It's not just about the visuals, it's also about the message. The show celebrates marine life and ocean conservation. You'll see amazing depictions of sea otters, dolphins, and even orcas. The grand finale? An electric neon display that will leave you wanting more. This nightly show runs from May through August, and it's the first of its kind in California. So grab a seat and get ready for a night under the stars that's unlike anything you've seen before. Next, let's dive deep into the shark encounter. Imagine getting up close and personal with 11 species of sharks, including the fierce sand tiger and the endangered Australian leopard shark. This immersive experience is a game changer. It replaces the old exhibit and offers a thrilling underwater tunnel. You'll feel like you're swimming with these majestic creatures. Plus, you can even feed the sharks. This isn't just fun, it's educational. Learn about shark behavior, their diet, and their crucial role in our oceans. It's an experience that will make you appreciate these powerful predators like never before. And if you think that's all, think again. SeaWorld also introduces the deep sea disco. Picture this, a vibrant party under the stars where the ocean comes alive. With music, lights, and interactive experiences, you'll dance the night away surrounded by marine themes. It's perfect for families and friends looking for a unique way to enjoy summer nights. The atmosphere is electric, and the memories you'll create are priceless. This summer, SeaWorld is all about fun, education, and unforgettable moments. So don't miss out on these amazing experiences. In conclusion, SeaWorld is pushing boundaries this summer. From the stunning drone shows to the thrilling shark encounter, every moment is designed to inspire. You'll leave with a deeper appreciation for our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. These experiences are not just entertaining, they're a call to action. Protecting our oceans starts with awareness. So, whether you're a local or a traveler, make sure to visit SeaWorld. Discover the magic, the thrill, and the beauty of the sea. Your adventure awaits.